Namaste students. Kushro Vidya. I JVWU Dr.Y.Chandrakala, Assistant Professor to Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the environment pollution and control. Okay? Environmental pollution. Environmental pollution can be defined as any undesirable change in the physical, chemical, and biological characteristic of any components of the environment, or that is water, air, soil, which cause harmful effects on various forms of the life and property. So pollution can be termed, or we can define it as an influence of any substance causing the nausea, harmful effects, or uneasiness of the organisms. Okay? Polluting are any substance that cause nausea or harmful effects and uneasiness to the organisms, and particularly substances may be caused as called as pollutants. Okay? So the types of pollution we can say water pollution, air pollution, land pollution, and the noise pollution. Okay? So water pollution can be defined as an alternate in the physical, chemical, or the biological characteristic of the water through natural or human activities, and making it unstable for its designated use. Fresh water present on the Earth's surface is to put many uses. It is used for drinking, domestic, or and municipal use, and agricultural, irrigations, or industrial navigation, recreation. The use of water will become contaminated and is called water wastewater. Okay? So the source of water pollution can be man-made mostly or naturally occurring. In addition to that, soil erosion, animal waste, or leaching of the minerals and rocks. Okay? So the sources of the water pollution can be caused by the municipal waste, industrial waste, or the inorganic pollutant, organic pollutant, and agricultural waste, or the mineral pollution or thermal pollution. So the municipal waste water, which is a kind of coming out, or a source from the nearby household activities or human interference. The major source of water pollution or the discharge from the industrial, commercial bodies, or the metallurgical or food processing industries, textile papers, or the discharge of the several organic and inorganic pollutants which are very highly toxic to the living organism is discharged into the water body. So the inorganic pollutant may be the of cadmium, acid, alkaline, sulfate, chloride, metals. An organic pollutant may be the phenolic compounds, organic acid, grease, or some other components. Agricultural waste or the fertilizers and pesticides have become essential for the presenting high yielding crop. Consequently, they have become a potential source of water pollution. These fertilizers contain major components and nutrients, and mainly the nitrogen, phosphorus, and the potassium. Excess fertilizer may reach the groundwater by leaching, or may be mixed with the surface water of the river, pond, or the runoff drainage. So the marine pollution, the oceans are the final sink of all the natural man-made pollutants. River discharge their pollutants into the sea. The sewage and the garbage of the coastal cities are also dumped into the sea. The other source of include the discharge of the oil, grease, detergent, and the radioactive waste from the ships. Thermal pollution. This thermal pollution of water is caused by the rise in the temperature of the water. The main cause of the thermal pollution is the thermal and the nuclear power plant. The power generated plant use water as a coolant and release hot water into the original source. Sudden rise in the temperature kills fish and other aquatic animals. So the air pollution. Air pollution is the introduction of chemical particulate matters or the biological matters that cause harmful or the discomfort in the human being or other living organism, causing the damage of the natural environment or built-up environment in the atmosphere. As instead that air can cause harmful or the uh, harm to the human environment is known as the air pollutant. The causes of air pollution are the carbon, sulfur dioxide, sulfur oxide, carbon dioxide, which cause global warming. Land pollution is the demolition of the earth, land, or the surface often caused by the activities or the misuse of the land or property. Urbanization and the industrialization are the major cause of the land pollution. Causes of land pollution are the four major causes of land pollution, that is construction, agriculture, domestic waste, and industrial waste. Construction takes up the resources and the land, and trees are chopped down and used to make the building, taking away of these animal and other living organisms life also. So agriculture is one of the like one or more people inhabiting the earth. Food is the higher demand, so forests are chopped down and turned into a farmland. In addition to that, pesticide, artificial fertilizers, animal manures are washed into the soil and pollute its surrounding. So domestic waste that are still like lots of garbage such as refrigerator, washing machine, or electronic e-waste are dumped into the nearby water bodies causing harmful effects. Industrial waste like plastic, chemicals, oils, refinery, nuclear waste, disposals, coal fires, metals, or the land, other land pollution. So noise pollution is also one of the type of pollution in which the human excess or in displeasing human activity or animal or machine creating environment noise that disturb the uh, activity or the balance of human and animal life. Sound become undesirable when it is disturbed or the normal activity such as working, sleeping, or during conversation. WHO states that noise must be recognized as major threat to human well-being. The sources can be of noise pollution, the transportation system in the urban area, construction of buildings, streets causing a lot of noise during using the compressor air, bulldozers, loaders, dumpers, etc. Family breakers, industrial noise also adds the already unfavorable state of noise pollution. Loudspeaker plumbers generates air, conditioner fans, vacuums, and existing noise pollution. So the effect can be according to US EPA, the distinct direct link between the noise and the health. And noise pollution adversely affects the lives of the millions of people. So it can be damaging the physiological and psychological health of a human being, creating a high blood pressure, stress related to illness, sleep disturbance, hearing loss, or productivity or loss in overall problems related to the noise pollution, and it may be cause memory loss, severe depression, or panic attack also. So the solution can be planting bushes, trees in and around the area to generate effective solution for noise pollution. Also, regulating services, turning off the automobiles, and effective reduce of the noise pollution or the use of loudspeaker. The workers should provide equipment such as earplugs and ear muffs to the for this overcoming this problem. Soundproof doors and windows can be installed to block the unwanted noise from the outside. Factories and industries should be located far from the residential area. So the global warming and the greenhouse effect is one of the major causal threats. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any doubts or queries, please write down in the comment box. I will solve it in the problem solving session. Thank you.